Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you two methods in which you can share Instagram Reels on your Facebook page. The first method is how to share manually, and the second method is how to connect Instagram to Facebook and share automatically. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. In the first method, all you have to do is open the Facebook page where you want to share the reel. Once you are on the page, tap on the reel icon. Tap on the gallery. Tap on the reel you want to share. Tap Next. Tap on Share Reel. Your reel will be uploaded to your page. Now let's see the second method, how to connect Instagram to Facebook and share reels automatically on your page. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. Open the menu. Tap on Settings, then tap on Account. Here, you will find Sharing to Other Apps option. Tap on that. Select Facebook. If you have the Facebook app installed on your phone and logged in, just tap Continue. If you don't see this screen, download and install Facebook app and log in. Then Continue. I have Facebook app installed and I'm logged in, so I will just tap on Continue. Now select the page which you want to connect to Instagram and also share reels. Then tap on Continue. Tap on Yes. Finish setup. You will get options to automatically share your Instagram story and post to your Facebook page. You can turn them on or off, but there is no option to share reels. Now what you have to do is that at the time of posting, you will see the Share to Facebook option. Turn it on and tap on Share. Your post will be shared on the Facebook page that you have connected to. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.